Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, auto express down window, power steering, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, iPod adapter, center armrest, side airbag system. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.